Alright, back with another box break. Gonna do another 13-14 select. Gallenchuk there on the cover. See if we can't get a Gallenchuk, maybe. It's got the two mini boxes. There's two autos in each. Pretty sweet. Let's get right into it. I'm sure you've watched more videos before this one, so let's keep going. Oh, I'm hoping my Raiders take Amari Cooper tonight. It is draft night. Just adjust it a little bit. Let's see what's going on. Alex Steen, Dustin Bufflin, Sid the Kid, Pekka Rinne, rookie Jason Atkinson, Mario Lemieux. Another decoy. Nazem Kadri, Johan Franzen, Cam Ward. Oh no, sorry. This is a hit. Brendan Dillon. 11 of 99. Nice. Auto. Greg Paterin. Trevor Linden. I don't know if you can see. 11 of 99. Pretty cool. Pretty nice card. Super Bowl Stanley Cup winning goaltender Corey Crawford, Jerome McGinley, Travis Hamonic, Christian Ehrhoff. It's the prism of Johan Franzen, Phil Esposito. Decoy. Jim Howard, Brian Giunta, Matt Duchene. There's a cool looking card. Erik Karlsson, double strike. Decent. There's a rookie, Daniel Bang, Pavel Bure. We got 2 packs left in this first mini. Well, we got a hit here, I believe. We'll save it. Hell, we only got 1 pack to go. Luke Shen, Keith Yandel, who is now a New York Ranger. Chris Versteeg, Fire on Ice, Jack Campbell, Joe Sakic, Prism, that's pretty cool. Mike Bossy, and here's our second hit. James Reimer, Henrik Sedin, P.A. Parento. Wow, cool. Andrzej Pavlik, only 25 in the world. That's 11 of 25. Andrzej Pavlik. Pretty cool card. Alright, let's get right into it. Second mini. See if we can keep this video under 10 minutes. I'm still a rookie at this. Need a bigger table. That's the problem. Decoy. Rick Nash. Cam Fowler. Marc-Andre Fleury. Yuri Hoodler. Matthew Conan. I think that's the second rookie I pulled to him. Paul Coffey. Danny Heatley. Erik Karlsson again. Yuri Toulouse. Corey Schneider. Jared Tenorti. 229 of 399. There's our auto. Jared Tenorti. Not bad. Luc Robitaille. Yaroslav Halak. Alex Pietrangelo. Jack Johnson. Kari Lehtinen. Oh, there's probably one of the better prisms you could pull. Sidney Crosby. Peter Stastny. The old Quebec Nordiques. Peter's son now plays in St. Louis. Paul. Pretty good center iceman. Although the Blues choked again in the postseason. Andrej Pavlik. There's his base. Alexander Burrows. Mark Giordano. Wow, what is that? That is a cool looking card. Could have swore that would have been numbered. That is a sweet looking card. Freezers. Cam Ward. Carolina Hurricanes netminder. That's pretty sweet. I'm not a fan. Carter Banks. Mikey Modano. Oh, what the? Oh, that stupid thing. I think we're. What do we got? One hit left? We have one hit left. Let's make it a good one. It's right here. It's in this pack. Phil Kessel. Vincent Lecavalier. Marty St. Louis. Steve Ott now is with the Blues. How about it? Al MacInnis. Not bad for a Blues fan. Al MacInnis select stars. Pretty wild. I'll take it. Yuri Curry. Not bad for only 25 in the world. Do it that way. 5 of 25. Got a pretty good box. Let's finish it up with this last pack here. Let's see what we got. Danny Boyle. Saku Koivu. Ben Bishop. That's a cool one. Honored Selections. Phil Esposito. Not numbered, but still cool. Mike Green. Brian Trottier. Real quick recap, real quick. There's the Esposito. Al MacInnis, Select Stars. Cam Ward, Freezers. Jared Tenorti. Andrej Pavlik. Greg Paterin, I think. I'm not 100% sure. Tell you what, not a bad box break. Good product. Good product. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.